creativity, craftsmanship, poetry in motion. These are the hallmarks of Hermès, and they all come together beautifully in the new Slim d'Hermès Neo Brandebourgs Tourbillon. This isn't just a timepiece, it's wearable art, where 19th-century military heritage meets futuristic design. The story begins with Katie Latham's 1972 Brandebourgs silk scarf, inspired by ornate military jackets. Decades later, Japanese designer Daisuke Nomura reimagines this motif as the armor of tomorrow's horseman. Each dial is a masterpiece, hand-engraved and hand-painted, blending traditional craftsmanship with avant-garde imagination. The intricate jacket design wraps around a mesmerizing tourbillon cage at 7 o'clock, shaped by two intertwined Hermès H's. Encased in 39.5 millimeters of solid platinum, the watch keeps the signature elegance of the Slim d'Hermès line, refined, minimalist, and impossibly thin. Inside beats the H1950T automatic micro-rotor movement, crafted by Vorcha Manufacture. It's ultra-slim, beautifully decorated with Hermès H motifs, and delivers 48 hours of power reserve. Limited to just 24 pieces per color, the Neo Brandebourgs Tourbillon is priced at €130,000. But as always with Hermès, the true value lies in its artistry. It's a rare fusion of French heritage, Japanese creativity, and Swiss precision. Proof that when it comes to time, Hermès doesn't just measure it, they paint it.